Hey Priya, so what are your plans after MBA now?
Hey Manvi. See, I read a lot about the emerging technologies, IoT, AR, VR, and fortunately, I've been landed into that job wherein I will be playing the role of IoT analyst. So, my future plans to be a consultant in IoT domain or probably any of the emerging technology that are being going on over there. So, that are my plans. What about Garvita?
The plan seems like a big word. So for now, I think being placed as a consultant for Cognizant, I look forward to business consulting, learn the business side of it, actually work for a couple of years, probably more than that, and later sometime get back to education. How do I do it? That's yet I have to yet to figure out. But let's see. That's the plan. So coming to you, what do you think?
See, first of all, before coming here, I think if anyone had asked any of us this question, I don't think we would have had an answer at all. I mean, like future plans, really, you're asking me now. But now, I think, I've been really impressed by the consulting domain, and I can specifically say that I want to consult for a digital marketing firm. So, after an MBA, I'm able to tell you with such preciseness that this is what I want. This wouldn't have happened before an MBA, you know. Even at my previous job, I thought I was hitting a ceiling, and the only way to break through the ceiling would probably be to come to a finishing school like this and, develop my skills. But I had a lot of expectations, and which have been met. But instead of talking about myself, I want to know from you, Manvi.
Okay, so I completely come from a sales marketing background, like a sales after sales, and that to a mechanical automobile domain. So MBA for me was a complete game changer because I had never encountered fields of finance or of operations, and I believe, like at least I can say for myself that I know a lot more than I did earlier. And since at a very later stage in my life, I intend to start my own business. So I believe this is all that's going to come in handy at that very moment.
True, definitely true. The expectations have been met. See, earlier I was a business analyst in my previous organization. So what we used to do, I used to know what things need to be done. Now I know how things are done. So definitely it has met my expectations. Also, I worked for my entire work experience in North India, and there was not much diversity. So coming over here, you would all agree that we have a diverse background wherein people come from different industries, different cultures. We get to know about different cultures. So it's kind of all blending together. So yes, it has helped me out. How about you?
So after almost a year of this journey, I think MBA definitely has been helpful. Personally, it has been helpful. I'm way more receptive now when it comes to accepting opinions from others. So now I know that holistically we can work it together. You might have a completely different opinion, I might have a completely different opinion, you might have a working style which is different, but together when it's goal oriented you can work, and that a lot of it, the realization has come from the MBA course. Also, what I am really impressed with this particular college is the faculty. The learning which I had in all the classes, doing probably some of the assignments, having some of the discussions with you people, with others. Overall, it has been quite an enriching experience, which we probably did not realize then. But when you look at it now, probably just 2 months more to go, it does had an impact.
Yeah. I'm really glad that you started valuing others' opinions. No, but
You know that for a
yeah.
fact, right?
But then that's the point. So before I came here, I wanted, when I was choosing my B school, basically, I wanted a diverse peer group. I didn't want people to just say yes to whatever I said. I wanted people to challenge me, to make me think. And I think that has happened quite a lot.
Yeah. So to add on to what all of you guys said, academic learning has been like amazingly good, immense, okay, and understanding someone else's viewpoint, even at I think at 25, even if you learn that's something that says a lot. For me, I think one point which I appreciate right now is like I learned a new sport in the school. I mean, academically you do learn a lot, but then something which I will continue for the rest of my life, and it has given me a new direction. Yes, now like I have something to look forward to apart from this also, and probably explore a new domain again. So I would want to continue with that, and that happened here itself.
So apart from just that, it has been almost refreshing to come back to college.
Yeah.
So all of us have worked for more than couple of years in corporate. So coming back to college, getting involved with all the activities, with the fest, organizing events, it has just been too exciting. So probably that is what was missing before. So it's just good to come back to college. So it has been a great experience.